How I boost my Wi-Fi on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the settings application on your device and then tap on the Wi-Fi over here. So tap on Wi-Fi and select on the connected Wi-Fi. Now just scroll down and here you can see different options. So all you have to do is just tap on the IP settings, and right now it is enabled to DHCP. Just convert it to static and then rewrite the IP address over here. After that, on the DNS you just have to mention over here like this one, and then in the DNS2 what we are going to mention is 1001. After that, you just have a tap on modify network and tap on the tick mark over here, and you'll be able to boost the Wi-Fi network on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.